Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now guys, what do we have is that there are 10 students of an engineering college who either liked or did not like a movie. And each of them watched in December 2008. Okay, so there are 10 students, there are 8 movies. Some of them liked the movie, some of them did not. Okay, the movies watched by these students are in 2008 are PQRST, UV and W. Okay. The table provides details about the number of movies not liked by each of these 10 students. Okay, so the number of movies that is not liked by these students. So if Shifali did not like 6 movies out of the 8 she watched, so she liked 2 movies, right? Similarly, Shreyash liked, sorry, not 7, 5 movies. Nitin liked 4 movies. Richa liked 3 movies. Devendra liked 1. Pankaj liked all 8 movies. Abhishek liked 6. Ashraf liked 7. Priyanka liked 4 and Amit liked 3 movies, right? Amit liked 3 movies. So this is the data that we know. Okay. And the other data that has been given that about the movies, let's say about movie P, there are 10 people who liked movie P. That is all of the students liked movie P. 9 people liked movie Q. 1 person liked movie R, and so on has been given to you. Okay. Now, guys, what you have to do is the first question says that what is the total number of students who did not like movie W? Okay, who did not like? Acha, what is the total count of the movies liked by these people? It is 43. Whereas the total count of the movies for which the data is available to be liked, what is the number? This is 41. Okay. That means the table of the data of 2 students is missing and the table of data of W is missing. That means there are 2 people who liked W and there are 8 people who did not like W. So option number A, 8 will be the right answer for this. Okay. Come to the second one. Which of the following movies is not liked by Shreyas? So abhi tak to it was easy. Now we have to finish off complete the table. To save time, I have already made the table. Okay. Now the tick and cross method we will be applying. Now guys, if you see the movie P is liked by all of the students. Okay. If movie P is liked by all of the students, we will put a tick for P for all the students, right? Now guys, if you see that Pankaj, he liked all the 8 movies. Pankaj liked all the 8 movies. Take Pankaj liked all the 8 movies. Now guys, if you see that movie R is liked by only one person and we know that person is Pankaj, that means nobody else apart from Pankaj liked the movie R. Okay, nobody liked the movie R. Take chalo. Now guys, if you see that Ashraf liked only one movie. Okay, sorry, Ashraf did not like 7 movies. Take Ashraf did not like 7 movies. That means he liked, sorry, Ashraf did not like one movie, and that means he liked 7 movies. Okay, and the one movie that Ashraf did not like, we know is R. That means Ashraf is going to like all the other movies. Ashraf is going to like all the other movies. Take chalo. If you talk about Devendra, now Devendra has did not like 7 movies and he liked only one movie. And one movie that he liked was P. That means Devendra is not going to like any of the other films. Take Devendra is not going to like any of the other films. Now, if you check for Q, Q is liked by 9 people. That means there is one person who did not like Q. And now we know that person is Devendra who did not like Q. That means all the other people are going to like Q. All the other people are going to like Q. Take chalo. Then guys, what do we have? Let's see. Okay, if you talk about, let's say, Shifali, okay, if you talk about Shifali did not like 6 movies. Okay, so Shifali only liked 2 movies and we know the data for her 2 movies, that is P and Q. So she did not like any of the other films. Okay, she did not like any of the other films. Take all right. Then what do we have? Okay, talk about V. If you see that V is liked by 8 people. Okay, V is liked by 8 people and we know the 2 people who did not like V. Now we know the 2 people who do not like V. That means V is liked by every other person. Okay, V is liked by every other person. Take this is what we have. Take care. Chalo. Let's move ahead. Let's see what else can we calculate from it. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, if you talk about Shreyansh, so Shreyansh did not like 5 movies. Okay, that is fine. Okay, if you talk about Amit, if you see, he liked 3 movies. And the data is available for all the 3 movies that he liked, that is P, Q, and V. That means Amit did not like any of the other films. Okay. Amit did not like any of the other films. Take. Acha, if you talk about W, you know W was liked by two people, and we know those two people are Pankaj and Ashraf. That means W is not liked by any of the other people. W is not liked by any of the other people. Take. Chalo, let us move ahead. Then what do we have? Okay, have we filled for Abhishek? Okay. So if Abhishek did not like two movies, that means he liked all the remaining six movies. Take. He liked all the remaining six movies. So this data is also filled, guys. Take care. Chalo, if you talk about you know that you was liked by three people, and we have the data for all the three people who liked you. That means no other person is going to like the movie you. No other person is going to like the movie you. Okay. Now let's see, guys, what do we have? Okay, if you talk about Richa. So Richa, you see five movies she did not like. She liked three movies. And we know the data for the three movies she liked. So the other two movies she is not going to like. Okay, the other two movies she is not going to like. Okay. Then, guys, if you talk about T, you know T was liked by six people. That means it was not liked by four people. The four people who do not like T is there. So that means every other person left did like T. Okay. Now, if you talk about Nitin, so Nitin liked four movies and he did not like four movies. So the four movies he liked, we know the data for that. Okay, we know the data for that. So that means he is not going to like S, right? And similarly, now for Priyanka, if you see, she is also going to like four movies, and the four movies she liked, we know the data for it. So we know she did not like it. Okay. Now you know the movie S was liked by four people and one person is left. He is going to like that movie. So now our set is complete. This was a pretty easy way of doing this set. Okay. Now, which of the following movies is not liked by Shreyans? So if you talk about movie V, he did like it. If you talk about movie R, he did not like R. So the correct answer will be option number B. Now, which of the following movies is liked by Abhishek? So Abhishek, if you talk about R, he did not like R. Okay. If you talk about U, so yes, he did like U. So option number B is the right answer. Okay. Option number B is the right answer. So this was the way to solve this set, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.